Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fan Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade pizza. Okay, I'm going to use chicken, pineapple, and vegetables, pepperoni. It's going to be so delicious, guys. And one more thing, guys, if you don't have time to make your dough, you can just go ahead and pick it up from your local store, or you can just go ahead and make your own stuff. Because what I did today, I just go ahead and then order it from Publix, okay? Because I didn't really have time to make my own dough, okay? Let me show you guys what I have. Okay, as you can see, I have my pineapple and my onion and green pepper, tomatoes, and I have my pepperoni and my Mexican cheese, 4 cheese, okay? And I have my sauce, okay? And I have some fresh basil, okay? Here I have my chicken already cooked, okay? So, and also I have my pizza tray, okay guys? What I'm going to do next, I'm going to just get my dough, and then when we come back we'll start, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now I have my dough. You see that? You see? Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to spray my pan. Okay, get some paper just to spread it around, guys. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my dough. Okay, my hand already cleaned up, guys. Okay, I'm going just to spread it around. Okay, I'm going to just finish that, guys, and then when we come back I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, this is how everything looks now. Okay, I'm spreading the sauce all over. Okay, and now I'm going to add my cheese. Okay, whatever cheese you want to use, guys, it's fine. I like me, that's my favorite cheese. Okay, okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my pepperoni. Okay, and when we come back, guys, I'll show you how everything looks. Okay, come back. Okay guys, you see what I started? Now it's time to add my chicken. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to add a little bit pineapple. Okay, and a little bit of vegetable. More. Okay guys, it's very easy. Okay, you see that? Okay, beautiful. All right, when we come back I'll show you everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys how everything looks. Okay, okay, here I'm going to add a few things, some Italian seasoning. Okay, okay, and some onion powder, guys. Not too much, just a little tiny bit. Okay, and some black pepper. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven, guys, on 450 and for like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it's a big pizza, so it needs more time to cook. So when we come back, and then we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now my pizza is now ready. So let me show you guys how everything comes out. Okay, look at that, guys. You see that? Very pretty. You see that? Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add a little basil, okay, around my pizza. Okay, and then when we come back, guys, I'll show you my plate. Okay, all right, come back. Okay, guys, this is my pizza. Okay, as you can see, you see that? Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to finish up with a little basil around it. Okay, okay, guys, that's it. All right, okay, all right, guys, that's it for me. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, and give it a try. Okay, remember, if you don't have time to make your own dough, just go ahead and then pick it up from your local store. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.